Welcome to Pronunciation and Meaning. In this edition of Say It Right, we're exploring 30 of the most beloved summer flowers, from cottage garden classics to vibrant annuals. You'll learn how to pronounce each name correctly in British English and discover the meaning or origin behind it. Poppy. Poppy. Poppy is a striking spring flower known for its bold red petals. Some species, like Papaver somniferum, are valued for producing morphine and codeine, used in pain relief. The Latin name papaver may come from papare, meaning to eat like a child. Cornflower. Cornflower. Cornflower is known for its striking blue colour and once thrived in cornfields across Europe. It symbolises hope and devotion and has long been a favourite in cottage gardens. Its Latin name, Centaurea cyanus, refers to the mythical centaur Chiron and the Greek word kaianos, meaning dark blue. Foxglove. Foxglove. Foxglove is a tall woodland flower with bell-like blooms arranged along a spire, often in shades of purple or pink. While beautiful, it is highly toxic. The Latin name digitalis purpurea comes from digitus, meaning finger. Lupin. Lupin. Lupin is a stately plant with dense spikes of pea-like flowers in blues, pinks and purples. Its Latin name, Lupinus polyphyllus, stems from lupus, meaning wolf, reflecting an old belief that lupins ravaged the soil, though they actually enrich it. Salvia. Salvia. Salvia is a hardy perennial with upright spikes of blue, violet or pink flowers, loved by bees. The name Salvia nemorosa is rooted in the Latin salvus, meaning safe or healing, pointing to its traditional use as a medicinal herb. Calendula. Calendula. Calendula is a golden orange flower often used in herbal teas and salves. Also called marigold, Calendula officinalis was named from the Latin calendae, meaning the first day of the month, because the flower was thought to bloom at the start of each new moon cycle. Geranium. Geranium. Geranium refers to a group of hardy perennials, often called cranesbills, with delicate, five-petalled flowers in soft shades of pink, purple, blue or white. Many species bloom from late spring through summer, and some continue into autumn. The name comes from the Greek geranos, meaning crane, due to the beak-like shape of the seed pods. Campanula. Campanula. Campanula, known as bellflower, produces dainty bell-shaped blooms in blue, white or lilac. Its Latin name Campanula persicifolia means little bell with peach-like leaves, reflecting both its shape and foliage. Dianthus. Dianthus. Dianthus is a fragrant flower family that includes pinks and carnations. With ruffled petals and a clove-like scent, the name comes from the Greek dios anthos, meaning divine flower. Argyranthemum. Argyranthemum. Argyranthemum resembles daisies and produces bright, cheerful blooms, often seen in pots and borders. The name combines Greek argyros, meaning silver, and anthemon, meaning flower, referring to the silvery foliage and blooms. Daylily. Daylily. Daylily is a resilient, trumpet-shaped flower that blooms for a single day before fading, with new blossoms opening daily. Its name Hemerocalis means beautiful for a day, from Greek hemera, meaning day, and kalos, meaning beauty. Delphinium. Delphinium. Delphinium is a tall, elegant flower with densely packed blooms, often in shades of blue or violet. Its name, Delphinium elatum, comes from Greek Delphis, meaning dolphin, due to the flower bud's dolphin-like shape. Coreopsis. Coreopsis. Coreopsis, also called tickseed, is a daisy-like flower loved by pollinators. Its name comes from Greek choris, bug, and opsis, appearance, describing the small insect-like seeds. Scabiosa. Scabiosa. Scabiosa, or pincushion flower, has round, softly tufted blooms and lacy foliage. The Latin name Scabiosa comes from scabiosis, meaning itchy, as it was once used to treat skin ailments. Hydrangea. Hydrangea. Hydrangea is a lush shrub with globe-shaped flower heads in pink, blue or white. Its name, Hydrangea macrophylla, means large-leaved water vessel, referring to the plant's water needs and seed pod shape. Rudbeckia. Rudbeckia. Rudbeckia, often called black-eyed Susan, features golden petals surrounding a dark centre. The name Rudbeckia hirta honours Swedish botanist Olof Rudbeck, and hirta is Latin for hairy, describing the plant's texture. Phlox. Phlox. Phlox is a cottage garden favourite with clusters of fragrant flowers in a range of colours. Its name comes from the Greek word phlox, meaning flame, due to the intensity of its colours. Cosmos. Cosmos. Cosmos is a light, airy flower with daisy-like blooms and feathery leaves. Its name comes from Greek kosmos, meaning order or harmony, a reference to the symmetrical beauty of its petals. Verbena. Verbena. Verbena is a slender, pollinator-friendly plant with clusters of purple blooms that sway in the wind. The name Verbena bonariensis stems from its historical use in sacred rituals and healing, with bonariensis from Buenos Aires. Sweet pea. Sweet pea. Sweet pea is a beloved climbing plant, known for its fragrant, butterfly-shaped blooms in pastel shades. Its Latin name, Lathyrus odoratus, literally means fragrant pea, combining its family ties and signature scent. Dahlia. Dahlia. Dahlia is a showy, multi-petalled flower available in nearly every colour except blue. Its name honours Swedish botanist Anders Dahl, and the blooms are prized for their bold symmetry and summer-long performance. Sunflower. Sunflower. Sunflower is a towering plant with a large, seed-filled centre that tracks the sun across the sky. Its Latin name, Helianthus annus, combines Greek helios, sun, and anthos, flower, perfectly describing its golden head. Aster. Aster. Aster is a late-blooming flower with star-like petals in pink, purple or white. Its name comes directly from Greek meaning star. Echinacea. Echinacea. Echinacea, also known as coneflower, has prominent spiky centres surrounded by purple petals. Its Latin name Echinacea purpurea comes from echinos, Greek for hedgehog, due to its bristly core. Zinnia. Zinnia. Zinnia is a vibrant, long-blooming flower loved for its bold colours and heat tolerance. It's named after German botanist Johann Zinn, who first classified it in the 18th century. Snapdragon. Snapdragon. Snapdragon produces tall spikes of flowers that resemble dragon heads and snap open when squeezed. Its Latin name Antirrhinum majus means like a snout, referring to its unique shape. Gladiolus. Gladiolus. Gladiolus is known for its sword-shaped leaves and tall flower spikes. The name means little sword, coming from Latin gladius, meaning sword. Gerbera. Gerbera. Gerbera is a bold, daisy-like flower in vivid colours. Named after German botanist Traugott Gerber, it's popular in bouquets and arrangements for its long-lasting blooms. Petunia. Petunia. Petunia is a vibrant bedding plant with trumpet-shaped flowers in a wide range of colours. The name comes from the Tupi word petun, meaning tobacco, to which the plant is related. Nigella. Nigella. Nigella, or love in a mist, has soft blue flowers surrounded by airy bracts. Its Latin name Nigella damascena comes from Niger, meaning black, referring to its seeds, and Damascena from Damascus, where it may have originated. Thank you for watching.